Hello, everyone, and good evening to you all. My name is Felton Parker. Today is Tuesday, June 10th, 2025. As always, each day is a wonderful day to be blessed by our Lord and Savior Jesus Christ. And I sincerely hope you folks have a truly blessed and wonderful Tuesday. What I have for you guys in tonight's video is the list of all the National Day holidays from my National Day calendar segment. That includes my featured National Day holiday. Also tonight, prior to my National Day calendar segment, I'll have my famous birthday segment for you all, where it features our famous people who were born on this day. And also tonight, in my weather segment, I will let you all know exactly what we're expecting for tomorrow, which is Wednesday, the last half of this week, the upcoming weekend, and on to the start of next week. So without further ado, let's get things started here on this Tuesday night as we conclude yet another day as I begin my National Day calendar segment. And of course, today was National Iced Tea Day. So how many of you actually went and had yourself a nice ice cold glass of tea, whether sweet or unsweetened? Today has happened to be National Iced Tea Day. And this day, we celebrate one of summer's favorite refreshing drinks. Whether you prefer sweetened or unsweetened, with or without lemon, you are invited to pour yourself a glass as you relax and enjoy some random information about iced tea. Hashtag National Iced Tea Day. Iced tea is the second most popular beverage in the world following water. The oldest tea remains date to around 453 BC. Archaeologists from Shandong University and the University of Science and Technology found 2,400-year-old tea remains in the royal tomb in the Shandong province. Recipes for iced tea have been found dating back to the 1870s. The Buckeye Cookbook and Housekeeping Note, Virginia, both contain iced tea recipes. It is believed, however, that iced tea started to appear in the United States in the 1860s and became widespread in the 1870s. During that time, hotels and railroads offered iced tea on their beverage menus. In 1904, the iced tea was introduced at the World's Fair in St. Louis by a tea merchant who planned to serve hot tea. However, a sudden heat wave prompted fairgoers to become uninterested in the beverage. To save himself, the merchant decided to add ice to the already brewed tea. This led to a frenzy of people lining up to taste the wonderful new drink. Today, the U.S. consumes nearly 50 billion glasses of tea per year. Here's how to observe. 1. Brew and enjoy a glass of iced tea with friends. With so many ways to brew iced tea, it's become more convenient than ever. 2. Create your favorite flavors by adding mint, lemon, or fruit. Whatever your flavor is, whether it's raspberry, strawberry, peach, mango, blackberry, black cherry, whatever the flavors, whether it's cherry, strawberry, peach, mango, blueberry, raspberry, black cherry, whatever the flavors, so many to name. Watermelon flavored tea, there's so many to name. Oh, there's also this new string, this new beverage. Have you? I'm sure I've seen the commercialized. I'm sure you may see it on shelves in grocery stores that actually called Sprite tea mixed together. Have you guys ever tried Sprite tea? Next time, I'm gonna have to test it and try it out and see what it tastes like. Sprite tea. It's in grocery stores. It's in store shelves everywhere. I'm gonna try and see how the mixture of Sprite and tea tastes together. Are you looking for iced tea deals to celebrate? While enjoying your iced, visit various restaurants such as McAllister's Deli. It's famous for their tea. Also, good places to try tea, like certain other restaurants that they have some good tasting tea. As I just mentioned, McAllister's Deli is famous for its sweet tea. Various restaurants enjoy a glass of iced tea, making comparisons to see who has the best home brew. Are you looking for iced tea deals to celebrate? Of course, You can Google up there Hamlin. While enjoying your iced tea, be sure to share on social media using the hashtag National Iced Tea Day. So today was about iced tea, one of summer's favorite beverage. Even though official start to summer is a little over a week and a half away. Today also was National Frosted Cookie Day, National Forklift Safety Day, National Egg Roll Day for those of you that's going out for Asian or Chinese. Today was National Call Your Doctor Day. Today was National Herbs and Spices Day, and also today was National Black Cow Day. And also today was National Ballpoint Pen Day. Now here's our famous people who have had their birthdays earlier today. On this day, Tuesday, June 10th. God bless me. Today, Katie Upton turns 33. Pop singer Gayle turns 21. R&B singer Faith Evans turns 52. Movie actress Elizabeth Hurley turns 60. TV actor Titus Macon Jr. turns 36. Comedian Bill Burr turns 57. R&B singer Greg Marks turns 24. Soccer coach Carlo Ancelotti turns 66. Movie actor Jonathan Bennett turns 44. Rapper Finnis 2 Times turns 33. Movie actress Gina Gershon turns 63. TV actress Eden McCoy turns 22. TV actress Belle Mariano turns 23. TV actress Jean Triplehorn turns 62. TV actor Frankie Fawson turns 76. Movie actor Shane West turns 47. Good evening to you, Elizabeth. How are you doing on this Tuesday night, and how was your day today? Now, of course, tonight, we actually have a full moon that's actually occurring overnight. Now, tonight is your night to if you haven't already, tonight is your night to the best chance to get out to view the strawberry moon. And of course, it is a rare sight that you folks must see. It is the appearance of the strawberry moon. It actually occurs around 2:45 a.m., which is in just a few hours from now, at 2:45 a.m. And now, let's get to you. Let's get to it with your weather. And of course, unfortunately, each day, I don't know what to. Of course, there are pros and cons. There are ups and downs about the forecast. I'm glad you and Brittany are both. Well, thank you, Elizabeth. I'm doing well also. I'm glad you and Brittany are having fun. Looking forward to seeing both you and Brittany soon. Hope you folks and you and Brittany are both having fun at the beach, and looking forward to seeing you guys real soon. Okay, so the next few days in the forecast, decent chances of rain each day, and it looks like that the weather pattern is going to remain very soggy and very stormy. So I'll explain more in just a few minutes when I'll let you guys know exactly how much rain could be on the way. So, but that should not be our big concern for tonight. At least as of right now. Mild and humid conditions are expected tonight with isolated to scattered showers and a few thunderstorms. Increasing later across portions of East Texas. Look for low temperatures to range from the mid-60s to near 70 degrees. So, what you see here on the left is how low temperatures we get, just slightly above normal for this time. These are just seasonal overnight lows. What you see here, and of course, the southwest portions of the areas is where we're going to have the greatest chance. The south to southwest, most of our counties in East Texas is going to be dealing with the heaviest rain chances overnight tonight. And points north and eastward, we're not going to see much of anything occurring overnight. And of course, here your averages and records for this day. For this day, Tuesday, June 10th, normal high is 90, normal low is 70. Record high is 101 set on this day back in 1875. 55 is the record low set on this day back in 1877. And we are not under any watches or warnings here on this Tuesday night. Good evening, Angela. How are you doing? How are you doing, Angela? How was your day today? And what you see here is we're not experiencing any, we're not on any watches or warnings here on this Tuesday night. That's some sort of, but and of course, so we're just seeing just a small little spotty shower north of the around the Texarkana metro area. We didn't see much of any shower thunderstorm activity, much in the way of shower thunderstorm activity occurring occurring throughout the day. But we've seen quite a bit of strong winds that knocked our temperatures down without any significant rainfall. We actually had a trace amount at the regional airport earlier this afternoon in Shreveport. And of course, we're seeing the heaviest of the rain, especially like in the southeast portions of this state, especially southeast of the New Orleans metro area and portions of southeast Louisiana here on this Tuesday night. And also just to see spotted showers across portions of central, southern, and south central in central Georgia. It also is just basically quite just a few spotty showers here and there, but the better rain chances are, the higher rain chances are definitely going to be happening. So we have lots more rain coming. So if you're looking forward to plenty of rain, then I have in the forecast as we go through the next few days. Actually, in fact, for much of the next week. So get yourselves prepared for a very busy, soggy, and stormy pattern that will unfold. Of course, we've seen now we did see quite a bit of winds picking up during the. Now we did see quite a bit of wind picking up, especially in the afternoon hours that would lower our temperature. At one point earlier today, we actually reached 95 degrees for high temperature. This is like early during, especially around the noon hours when we saw the highest temperature of the day. And then since the afternoon, we've seen temperatures, and then of course the winds have somewhat lowered our temperatures during the afternoon without any rain, without any actual rainfall here in Shreveport. So we go from the mid 90s to the upper 70s towards the afternoon hours, just a few hours time. Temperature outside here on this Tuesday night is 75 degrees with mostly cloudy skies. Humidity is 83%, dew point is 70 degrees. It's a little muggy outside, rather humid outside, but definitely due to weak cold, it is some temperature outside on this Tuesday night 75 degrees with mostly cloudy skies. Humidity is 83%, dew point is 70 degrees. We have a southeast wind at 3 miles per hour. Barometric pressure is at 30.02 inches of mercury, and visibility is at 10 miles an hour. Excessive rainfall in the southern plains, extreme heat coming to the southwest U.S. Heavy to severe thunderstorms may bring areas of excessive rainfall and flooding over parts of the southern plains through Friday. A slight risk of excessive rainfall has been issued. Dangerously hot temperatures are forecast across parts of southern Arizona and far southeastern California Saturday through Monday. An extreme heat watch has been issued. According to the tropics, it does not appear that, of course, according to the tropics, we still have two active systems in the Eastern Pacific. There's names of Barbara and Cosme, and we currently do not have any systems forming in the Atlantic or the Gulf just yet. even though we are 10 days into the 2025 Atlantic hurricane season. I will keep you guys posted if our first system in the Atlantic or the Gulf forms. So it is hurricane season, so it's time to get prepared. And the time to be prepared for any possible tropical disturbances is now. So I'm about to get with you guys on exactly what's gonna be a very busy and what's gonna be a very busy and stormy weather pattern to unfold over the next several days. So if you do not mind a little so if you're a fan of rain and stormy weather, then this is your forecast, because this is exactly what I'm going to have for you guys over the next several days. So I did mention that now it looks like that starting tomorrow the rains are mainly going to be for everyone, but the chances got to numerous and storms becoming more widespread before the week wraps up. So we could be looking at quite a bit of rain between now and early next week. So tonight, expect partly cloudy skies. It would be partly cloudy and humid with thunderstorms in parts of the area. It would be partly cloudy and humid with thunderstorms with thunderstorms in the area. With the low temperature tonight, 73 degrees. So temperatures aren't going to drop much too far from where they are right now. It would be partly cloudy and humid with thunderstorms in the area, with spotty thunderstorms. But not everyone's going to get the rain overnight. But some areas will likely stay dry. Most of us should at least get some rain developing overnight. Tomorrow, going to Wednesday. Now, our high temperature was 95 today, so because we'll have more clouds around, tomorrow should not be anywhere near as warm. It will be mostly cloudy and humid. Expect thunderstorms in the afternoon with a high temperature of 87 degrees. So tomorrow we should. Tomorrow will be mostly cloudy and humid. Expect thunderstorms in the afternoon with a high temperature of 88 degrees. With the southeast wind at 7 miles per hour, chance of rain 50%. That's during the day. So because we have more clouds around, daytime high temperatures will be held just slightly below normal. So because we're expecting more clouds around and because we have more clouds and a better coverage of showers and storms. So you folks heading out. So you folks heading out to work tomorrow morning, be sure to grab those. So be sure to keep those umbrellas handy. So, and of course tomorrow's not going to be the only day you'll need your umbrellas too. Umbrellas either. So expect thunderstorms to occur around 1 a.m. overnight later on tonight, and then around 6 a.m. tomorrow morning with partly cloudy skies. So we should be at 73 degrees. With another round of storms expected around 7 a.m. tomorrow morning. 9 a.m. tomorrow with cloudy skies, so we should be at 79 degrees. Noon tomorrow with cloudy skies, so we should be at 86 degrees. 3 p.m. tomorrow afternoon with thunderstorms, so we should be at 84 degrees. 6 p.m. tomorrow evening with cloudy skies, so we should be at 83 degrees. 9 p.m. tomorrow night with mostly cloudy skies, so we should be at 79 degrees. So tomorrow, because we have more clouds around, it would not be as warm as we saw today. So today's high of 95 is probably going to be the hottest we'll see for a while, because we have more clouds and more area-wide, more widespread, more decent chances of widespread rainfall to occur during the day tomorrow. So tomorrow is looking to be a wet and stormy day. Severe weather is not greatly a concern, but always be prepared. If I have all your devices charged, or you have smartphones, laptop, PCs, and your tablets, because we're going to be looking at decent rain chances off and on over the next several days. So our weather pattern, our unsettled weather pattern is here to stay, thanks to the stalled up frontal boundary. That's going to remain stationary, and it's going to take some time to finally cross the region. So this is why we're going to be in a rainy and stormy weather pattern each and every day, at least for a while. And I'm about to let you guys know exactly how long these rain chances are going to stick with us. So here's what the next 7 and 10 days have in store for us. After tonight's low temperature, 73 degrees. That's just slightly above normal for this time of year. It's just slightly above normal, but tomorrow, of course, it's going to be Wednesday. It would be mostly cloudy and humid with thunderstorms in the afternoon. So don't forget the umbrellas. So tomorrow, going to your Wednesday, it would be humid. It would be mostly cloudy and humid with thunderstorms in the afternoon, with a high of 88, low of 73. Winds will be from the southeast at 7 miles per hour. Chance of rain 70%. And for your Thursday, it will be mostly cloudy and humid with a few showers and thunderstorms. High of 85, low of 75. Winds will be from the south at 8 miles per hour. Chance of rain 90%. Friday, of course, this coming Friday is Friday the 13th. You would expect partly cloudy skies with a few showers and heavy thunderstorms. Also will be humid and expect flash flooding. This is when we can see the more widespread rainfall late Thursday night and going to today on Friday. High of 87, low of 73. Winds will be from the south-southwest at 8 miles per hour. Chance of rain 80%. Saturday, of course, this coming Saturday, June 14th, is Flag Day. Expect partly cloudy sky. It will be partly cloudy and humid with a few showers and thunderstorms. Outdoor plans can be impacted, so you probably want to consider, because I know this upcoming weekend is going to be a rather busy weekend. Flag Day Saturday, and of course Father's Day will be the next day. So Father's Day weekend could be quite soggy. High of 90, low of 74. Winds will be from the west-southwest at 7 miles per hour. Chance of rain 80%. So you folks will probably want to plan something indoors. And also for Sunday, of course, this coming Sunday, June 15th, is Father's Day. It will be partly cloudy and humid with thunderstorms. High of 87, low of 74. Winds will be from the southwest at 8 miles per hour. Chance of rain 60%. And the rain chances do not end there. Monday, we continue the stormy pattern with maybe just a lesser rain chance. So it would expect partly cloudy skies with a couple showers and thunderstorms possible. With the high of 86, low of 73. Winds will be from the south-southwest at 7 miles per hour. Chance of rain 30%. And Tuesday, week from today, it will be cloudy and humid with thunderstorms, especially towards the afternoon and the evening. High of 92, low of 77. Winds will be from the south-southwest at 8 miles per hour. Chance of rain 50%. It looks like the rain chances will continue even towards the middle of next week for next Wednesday, which is the 18th. Highs in the mid-90s with 40% chance of showers and storms. And then, of course, we'll catch a break next Thursday from right now, which is the 19th. Expect mostly sunny skies with highs in the mid-90s and no rain expected. And then expect partly cloudy skies for next Friday, which is the 20th. Expect with the partly cloudy skies, a couple of showers possible. Highs will be in the low 90s, 20% rain chance. So it doesn't look like looks like that we're about to get into. So each and every day we're going to be looking at very unsettled weather with very unsettled weather, a very unsettled weather pattern will be strictly in place over the next several days. So have those umbrellas ready for 7 straight days of chances of storms. We will have highs in the mid to upper 80s for each day tomorrow, which is Wednesday, also Thursday and Friday. We'll high temperatures close to 90 by Saturday. For Sunday, which is Father's Day, we should have highs in the mid 80s for both Sunday and Monday. Then we'll be back in the low 90s for Tuesday, week from today. Rain chances 70% tomorrow, 9% Thursday, 80% both Friday and Saturday, 60% Sunday, 30% Monday, 50% for Tuesday. Well, that will be all that I have for you guys here on this Tuesday night. Once again, my name is Felton Parker. I'm officially signing off here. You guys have a good night. Sleep peacefully. Take care of yourselves and each other. Most of all, remain blessed and stay safe. Thank you.